Guys, the world is changing faster than we can process, and new AI tools appear almost every week. It's getting harder to stay sharp when information keeps piling up from every direction. That's why structured learning matters more than ever. My name is Daniel, and today we're diving into Coursera, a platform that helps you build real, practical skills without feeling overloaded. From modern tech programs to hands-on creative courses, we'll break down how it works and why it still stays relevant. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Alright folks, let's keep it simple. Coursera is one of the largest learning platforms available. It's a thing where top universities and global companies offer their best courses in a structured space. What makes it stand out is the balance between theory and real practice. You don't just watch lessons, you complete tasks, build small projects, and actually apply what you learn. Everything feels organized and predictable, easy to follow, even if you're starting from zero. Friends, the flexibility is a huge advantage. You learn at your own pace and take breaks anytime, coming back when you're ready. Each program guides you step by step and provides a certificate that you can add to your resume or LinkedIn profile. And with AI and automation growing so fast, staying relevant can feel overwhelming. Coursera helps you keep up without getting lost in too much information. It makes learning simple and genuinely useful. If you want to grow your skills without extra stress, this platform is one of the easiest ways to do it. Guys, let's start with Generative AI for Everyone from deeplearning.ai, taught by Andrew N. If you've been watching the AI boom from a distance, this course gives you a clear place to start. It isn't about coding or math. Instead, it offers an accessible introduction with explanations and shows how it fits into work and daily tasks. The goal is to help you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. The course begins with simple foundations. Andrew explains what generative AI can do and what it cannot do, giving you a clean picture of its real capabilities. He breaks down why these models behave the way they do and shows how tools like ChatGPT or image generators create their results. Folks, everything is presented clearly and simply, without unnecessary jargon or confusion. Then the course moves into practical examples. You see how generative AI supports everyday tasks and helps you organize information and build faster workflows. Through straightforward demonstrations, you notice how small changes in your prompts lead to clear differences in output. This helps you understand how to use AI with intention rather than guesswork. Next, mates, you learn how to identify and structure AI projects. You don't need any technical background for this process. Andrew shows how to choose the right tools and understand each step of an AI project, forming a clear, logical understanding of the workflow. He also explains how to recognize tasks where generative AI can bring real value. There is even a short section on RAG, fine-tuning, and model selection. These topics might sound advanced, but the course explains them in a simple and friendly way, making complex ideas accessible to everyone. Anyone can follow along without feeling lost. Near the end, the course zooms out to the bigger picture. It shows how generative AI changes the way we work and collaborate, and you also learn how these changes affect everyday operations inside teams. It ties everything together, showing how AI fits into modern workflows as a whole. The course explains what responsible AI use looks like and shows how to stay confident as the technology becomes a natural part of work. Folks, everything feels honest and very relevant. The best part is accessibility. You don't need a technical background to understand any module. The course is built for professionals, managers, and curious beginners, helping you join AI discussions with confidence instead of watching from the sidelines. If you want one clear and realistic introduction to generative AI, this course delivers exactly that. It gives you a stable and simple entry point into a rapidly growing field. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright guys, let's talk about the Generative AI Automation specialization from Vanderbilt University. If you've tried using ChatGPT for real work and felt like you're barely scratching the surface, this program can help. It shows what becomes possible when you turn AI from a chat tool into an automation engine. It helps you shift from asking questions to actually building working systems that save hours. This specialization is built around a simple idea. It helps you use generative AI for complex tasks without coding, without technical barriers, and without spending hours figuring things out. Instead of treating ChatGPT like a Q&A machine, you learn how to design instructions that behave like small automated systems. It feels less like chatting and more like building tools that work for you. And the best part is how natural it feels once you understand the structure behind these workflows. The course opens with Dr. Jules White explaining how structured prompting can completely change what AI is capable of. Friends, you start noticing that AI follows patterns, that its responses can be shaped, and that complexity comes from clarity, not long messages. The moment you apply the first automation patterns, you immediately notice how much time they save. The model handles repeatable steps for you instead of forcing you to do everything manually. It's one of those rare moments when a concept instantly clicks, and you realize how much effort you've been wasting before. As you move forward, mates, the lessons shift from simple prompts into full workflows. You learn how AI can read information, transform it, organize it, and generate new output that actually makes sense. Tasks that used to take you hours start happening almost instantly once the system understands your goal. It can turn ideas into structured documents and streamline your entire workflow with minimal effort. It's surprisingly practical and honestly a little addictive once you see the speed difference. The productivity jump feels real, not theoretical. One of the most interesting parts of this specialization is how it teaches you to think about automation itself. Folks, you stop guessing and start designing tasks with intention, defining what the model should do and how it should behave. You also learn how to keep the output consistent and fix mistakes when they happen. Instead of relying on luck, you understand why AI behaves the way it does and how to guide it with confidence. It's a shift in mindset from "hope it works" to "I know how to make this work." Then the program goes even deeper. You discover how to use AI to work with different types of content in a more structured and efficient way. It helps you transform raw material into organized results that are much easier to use. Mates, you learn how Code Interpreter automates things that normally require multiple apps, and how AI can handle everything without feeling overwhelmed. It's almost like having a small digital assistant that learns your workflow as you go. Later in the specialization, the focus turns to real-world problem solving. Folks, you explore which tasks actually make sense to automate and where AI can truly save time. You also learn where it struggles and how to build systems that stay reliable even when the input changes. It's a genuinely honest course. It doesn't hide the limitations, but shows how to work around them thoughtfully and safely. That balance of possibilities and boundaries makes the content feel grounded and trustworthy. And finally, friends, the Vision GPT module adds a whole new layer to the workflow. You get to see how a single photo can instantly turn into clear, structured text. It works even when the image is messy or filled with quick notes and sketches. Any kind of visual content turns into clean text automatically, making it feel like your camera finally understands what you're trying to capture. This part alone can transform how you capture and organize information. Mates, if you've ever wanted to use AI for more than simple chatting, this specialization can practically guide you. It's one of the clearest and most actionable paths toward automating real parts of your life or work. It's beginner-friendly but incredibly useful even for people who already work with AI daily. And as always, whether it's right for you or not, the choice is yours. But if you've been waiting for a practical entry into automation, this is genuinely one of the strongest starting points out there. Friends, what I appreciate about Coursera is how it keeps learning organized and manageable, even when the topics feel complex. You move at your own pace, connect ideas naturally, and see how modern tools fit into real workflows without pressure. Courses like Generative AI for everyone from deep learning make the whole subject feel clearer. They explain how intelligent systems behave and where they genuinely make sense, helping you work with the technology more confidently. And Generative AI Automation from Vanderbilt shows how simple automation can reduce repetitive tasks and give you more room to focus on real work. Both programs feel practical rather than overwhelming. Overall, Coursera gives you a steady way to grow your skills, but the choice to use it or not is always yours. I hope this overview helps you decide what fits your goals. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.